Hello everyone, it's good to be back again. It's your girl Unique Nelo. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching how to make this turban. A subscriber sent this to me and made a request for the tutorial. So guys, start taking much of your time. Let's move straight to the tutorial. So guys, I'll be using raw silk fabric. Actually, I used 1 yard of fabric here, and this stretchy part is the length part. I'll be using this fabric to measure the V-face. The length measures 16 inches by 10 inches width. I'll be using this to get pleats, but first of all, I'll be folding this side. I cut this piece 2 pieces, so whatever I'll be doing here, I'll be doing to the other fabric, okay? So I'll be folding it this way. Many of you already know how to form plates, so watch my videos on my channel to learn the V-face. So I'll be folding it to get plates, alright? So I'll set that aside. This material I'm holding now is for the back. Alright, this measures 26 inches length by 25 inches width. I hem both edges. You understand what I mean by hemming? Fold both edges. And after hemming it, I marked 3 inches. 3 inches, okay? After marking out 3 inches, please, this will give me a guide on where I will start sewing. I don't know if you understand me. Alright, so after marking out the 3 inches, next thing I'll be doing now is to show you how to form my plates. This is the back, and the back has plates. So we're going to fold it this way, then form the first plate. Guys, if you are confused, please go straight to my channel and you will watch videos on how to form plates. I have many videos on that. It's not a new video. So make sure that when you fold it, you'll be getting like 1 inch in the front. Then you continue with the folding. I'll be getting 4 plates. 4 plates. Alright, so this is the outcome of it. I'll fold it and I'll get the center. You can see this edge. You can sew it down with your sewing machine. Also do same thing on this side. You fold it down, then we're folding both sides together, and I'll notch the center to get the center of the fabric. Then this is the V face. I got 2 plates there, and I've attached my handle. Please, even the last video I uploaded, I think I taught how to attach handle there. Just check out my videos. So after doing all these things, next thing I'll be doing now is to cut the back and sew. After sewing, I will be forming my gathers, and this is the cap. So I'll be setting this aside. For the design, this measures 20 inches length by 4 inches width. I cut it 2 pieces. Another one is 18 inches length by 4 inches, and you fold it this way and sew it down. Whatever you're doing to this piece, do it to others. And this is the outcome of it. I've already inserted my 2 inches crinoline inside it, and this is the outcome. This is the crinoline, the 2 inches crinoline. Alright, so I'll be teaching you how to form the bow. Normal way of forming bow. Just pair it. Make sure you pair the 20 inches and the 18 inches. 20 inches and 18 inches. So what I'm folding now is the 20 inches. It will be down. So locate the center and just fold this way. This is the 20 inches. And you now take the 18 inches and place on top of it. I don't know if you understand me. But whatever you'll be doing to this, you'll do it to the other 2 pieces. Alright? So after folding it this way, I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it down after adjustment. Alright, so I'll be doing same thing and see how it looks. So guys, place it on your dummy. You know the parts, the point you want to do your tacking. Then use your needle and thread and tack very well. So what I'm holding now is crinoline. Please note, if you have cinnamon, you can do the cinnamon. That is the material we use for molding fascinator. But now cinnamon is costly, so I had to improvise. Yes, it's costly, so I'm using 6 inches crinoline. And please, I forgot to show you the wire I'm using. This is this copper wire, flexible wire. Some beaders normally use it, and this is size 0.90. Size 0.90. I'm so sorry that I didn't show you before using this. This is copper wire. Please, I had to do a separate video to show you how the wire looks, and this is the outcome. You can see it. This is the wire, okay? Alright, so I'll be attaching it this way to the crinoline, and please watch how I'll be doing the attachment. Alright guys, you can see the way I place the wire on the crinoline, and it's looking rough, but don't mind the rough edges. I'll be covering it up. So this material measures 40 inches length by 2 inches width. I cut out 2 pieces and I'll be using it to cover up that rough part. See, I'm using candle gum to hem the mouth, like to fold the material. But if you have your UHU gum, you can use it to do what I'm doing now. You can see what I'm doing. I'm trying to fold it in. If you have your UHU gum, is the best. Don't even use this candle gum, because in the process I noticed that candle gum made it to be very stiff. So I would advise to use your UHU gum, or your B7000 is the best. I think B7000 is the best. I recommend B7000. If you're using candle gum the way I did, please don't press too much. If you press too much while doing this work, it will, in fact, give me a tough time, sincerely speaking. So I want to advise you to use candle gum, okay? So continue to watch and see the way I cover up this rough part. So you can see how it looks. Next, now I'll be doing is to form gathers at the center part of it with my needle and thread. Please, you'll be forming 2 pieces of this, 2. All right, so I'm using my needle and thread to form that gathers, and this is the outcome. So guys, next thing to do is to attach it on the head gear, that is the turban. Yes, you can see the 2 pieces have completed it, but before attaching, you will use the same needle and thread to make it to be one. What I mean by making it to be one is to hold it firm. So I'm going to tie it round again. After doing that, now attach it here with your needle and thread. Tack it down firmly, and this is the outcome. So finally, the material I'm holding is 45 inches length by 6 inches width. I'll be folding this way. Please don't fold straight like this. Just fold it this way. That's what I'm doing. Fold it this way and sew down. Fold this way and sew down. I'm done sewing and have turned it out. When you turn it out, it will appear this way. So what we'll do is use our scissors to cut out the excess part on both sides. After cutting it out, now fold it in this way and form your gathers. Form your gathers, but there's a method of forming gathers here. Please watch and see what I'm doing. At this point, I'm doing the normal gathers. You can see how it looks. Then when I got to this point, it changed. Watch the way I'm forming these gathers. Please, this is not business as usual. You take your needle inside the stitch. I don't know if you understand me. See, don't go and drag the whole material. Just, if you watch, I'm not picking the outside material. I'm not picking it up. So make sure you drag it inside, not on top of the material. Your needle will be passing through inside. You can see how it is being done. So once you reach to the other side of it, normal, same thing you did at the beginning of the other side, you're going to fold it in, then now run your normal gathers here. So where I did the normal gathers is at the edge, but at the center, I didn't do the normal gathers. Just watch and see how I'll be forming these rows. Yes, so guys, please, if I read this junction and you've not subscribed, do me well by subscribing to my channel. I have other videos here. If you're a turban lover, anything about headgear, please subscribe to this channel. You're welcome to Unique Nelos family. Yes. Alright, so guys, next thing I'll be doing now is to form the rows. So watch and see the way I'll be doing the tacking. I didn't use candle gum here. I didn't use any form of gum. I prefer using my hand to tack for neatness. Yes, you can use a candle gum though, but I decided to use my needle and thread to tack it down. So continue to fold this way. As you fold, you tack. As you fold, you tack. I'm done forming the rows and I'll be doing the final tacking here, and this is the outcome. So if you place it here, you can see the way it looks. If this rose is too much for you, too big, reduce the width of this. Remember, my own width is 6 inches, so you can reduce yours. Guys, you can embellish if you want. Thanks and see you next time.